Here's your Oshkosh Food Co-op construction update as of May 20th, 2021. Once again, we talk with Kevin Hansen, Senior Construction Project Manager.
The whole ceiling's painted, iron ore color. Also have all the walls painted, the final color. We primed all the walls and have all the walls painted. No, it's going to be a polished concrete floor. It is not going to be real high gloss, but it'll have a light sheen to it. Going to put some additives on it so it's not slippery. Yeah, all the refrigeration equipment is coming in right behind you, and right here there is some refrigeration and freezers that are coming in. A lot of the equipment, the bigger equipment is coming in starting on Monday, and we'll get all those set and plumbed and all the refrigeration lines and hooked up probably within about a week and a half to 2 weeks. I'm turning this space over on 620.
620.
Yeah. And then the co-op people are going to take over and put all of the shelving together, do all the decor on the walls. There's quite a bit of work to get ready for all the food, and that's going to start on the 20th.
The Oshkosh Food Co-op is really starting to take shape. We'll be back with more updates in the coming weeks. Please check back with our Oshkosh Food Co-op YouTube and social media pages for future updates.